Hey guys, in today's video I'm taking a look at the Oculus app. So in order to download the Oculus app, we just have to go into our app store. In our app store, we have to go into search, and we can actually even type Meta. So here we go, just Meta Quest 2, search, and there's the Oculus app. I don't know when they will change the app's name. I just don't think it's gonna be something that fast. But here we go, that's the app that we need to download. So we just press on get. This is a 100% free app. And here we go. It's pretty small too. So if we click on it, we're going to be able to see down here below, it's going to tell us the size. So the size for this, it's only 122 megabytes. So right now that I just downloaded, I can just open it up. And of course we have to press OK. From here, if you haven't created an account, or you don't have a Facebook account, I should say, you should create one and also create an Oculus account. I do have a separate video that shows you how to create those two things. So right now we're just going to click on the second option and we're just going to log into our Oculus account. So right now what you could do is just continue as tech and design, or you could just go on and click on the second option, which says have an Oculus account. It's just going to ask you for email and password. However, it's just easier to tap on this first option, so that's exactly what we're going to do. And right now it's just going to run us through the whole setup. Like I mentioned before, since we already created a Facebook account and we have also an Oculus account, it will tie things together for you anyways. So it will take you here and it will tell you that you already have a username because you already did that. So at this point you could edit your username if you wanted to. But what you should do is just tap on the top where it says your name, tech and design in this case. And we're just going to choose a picture that makes sense to us. So I'm going to choose my Facebook picture. Right there, save that up. You can choose anything you like. You don't have to choose your Facebook picture, and then just continue on. You can add any friends that are using Oculus as well, or you can just go on. Just tap on continue. And once again, choose whatever makes sense to you, whatever you are interested in. So for me, it's shooting games, and that would be it really. So I'm just gonna continue on. You can go ahead and add your credit card or just add PayPal. What I suggest doing is adding PayPal because it's just a little more safe. It's a safety net. So let's say something weird happens, you could contact PayPal to fix that error and not just Oculus. So maybe you have a problem with Oculus Store. You don't really have to just contact Oculus Store for some customer service, but you can also just contact PayPal and they usually take care of business really quick. So that's what I suggest doing, but you can go ahead and enter your credit card information or just skip this at this time. Now for most of you, you will want to purchase some awesome games. So I highly suggest adding PayPal. But again, you can always skip that and you can skip on the bottom. But anyways, as I mentioned, you can always skip. And from here, just select whichever quest you have at the moment. So we are going to select Quest 2, continue on, and it's going to look for our headset.